go! Today is all about this Mach 6 dream build. Isn't it, Lada Man?
Oh, there's two of them.
There's two of them. So, are you excited, Lada? Yeah, he's excited. We're gonna go, oh Barney, you can actually hold this, for a 27.5 jib bike. Not even just jib, just fun bike, because I ride the Firebird loads and it is sick, but I haven't had like a slack 27.5-inch bike for a while, so this video is going to be Barney building this with some sick ASMR in there for you guys, and then me riding it. So probably the back lander, so we're going to get a thummy now, which is why it's all laid out nicely, because look how good it looks. And then we're going to pretty much crack on with the build straight away. So Lada, do you want to come in?
Oh, actually, we might just be able to get the thigh into this camera. I think it's perfect.
Hey guys. Did he fit in? Come here, you little rascal. Okay, no you did. I reckon we got one of them.
Yeah, I reckon we'll try that.
Alright, we'll see you in the garage where the build's going to start. This is the work area. We're getting some cool stuff set up.
Move that back.
Move the bad boy back. Now we've got the grom out of the way. I'm going to get, oh it's such, it is a dream build. I'm going to use this. I do love my Firebird that's here. Right, here we go. Oh, the frame is in the stand. We're off. ASMR coming at ya. Forks are cut. Yeah. She's coming together, mate.
Just getting there.
A few pieces going on. Mach 6. So I run Renthal, they're 35mm bars by 30mm height fat bar, and we're going to run them at 764mm wide. For everyone wondering what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to have, got a 50 on there, we're going to run a 45mm Renthal stem. It's got cold, so I've got a beanie on. And that's going to be the Mach 6 Dream Build cockpit. As you can see, Barney boy has been busy threading some cables through. We haven't filmed too much of that because it's not that exciting, but threading some cables through. The Mach 6 is really starting to come together. Here we are greasing with the Motor X grease gun some stem bolts. Bars going on. Like I said, Renthal fat bar, 35mm height, 764 wide. Bike is starting to look like a bike with some controls. I think you agree, we're going to get some good conning on this bad boy. XTR in the house. We have here a couple of XTR levers because only the best, baby. There.
There for it.
Oh, look at pivot cycles come perfectly in the background. Ooh. Right, Barney boy's going. We're getting hoses in brakes. We're getting some nice heat wrap around here.
Make it all neat.
To look neat, keep it quiet. We've got the Reynolds wheels on the iron hub, PT's tape.
PT's valve.
Click that bad boy in.
Cheers, Steve.
Cheers, Stevie boy. Beautiful. So we like to hear. We've gone for the DHFs in. Let me just spin round so you can all see this. 3C 27.5 by 2.5 wide trail, Max Terra EXO, because not too many rocks around here, so don't really need anything more than that. And super light and pingy for a light pingy jibby bike. ASMR.
Lovely ASMR.
Oh, front wheel. Okay. Mate, it's starting to look like a bike. An insane.
Such a cool looking bike.
Yeah, really, really good bike. I like the orange fork and the wheel stickers breaking it up. That's that for now, but I'm gonna run out and pick up the Vario. She said some work done on that, so the Steve's van's getting there. But for now, Barney's gonna do some of the boring little bits.
Finish it
and
off.
run out and get that. It's starting to look so good though. Right, what are we up to here, Barney?
We're giving the brakes a bleed.
Making them super good.
Super bitey.
Because, yeah, the levers and everything come unassembled, how we get them from Shimano, which is pretty sweet, so we can have left or right. Like I was saying before, I actually have my back on the left, front on the right, so if you ever see me doing a one-hand wheelie with my right hand off, it's because my back brake is here. So, bit of mineral oil, get those bad boys bled up. We're going to be able to do stoppies and wheelies like no other. Bit of gear cable.
Well done.
Magical. The gears are on. Oh, dude.
Saddle.
Excited, yeah.
Good to go.
We're getting close.
Yeah.
The build, as you can see, is almost there. We've got the WTB Silverado seat on. I go for the medium width in that bad boy. And she's really close to being a complete bike. We've got some Crank Brothers pedals to go on. Got the mallets here. We'll throw those bad boys on. Okay. Yeah, we got pedals.
We're rolling.
We're gonna be rolling. We hear that i9 Hydra hub spin quick.
Packed full of grease.
One of the final touches we're gonna do now is this heat wrap here to keep all the cables neat, tidy, and silent. Oh, it went out.
I'll do this one and do the bigger one maybe. Okay, we're on.
Getting tight. The other one worked.
The other ones are.
Yeah, no, there's one. That is some dreamy gear if I've ever seen it.
It's looking neat.
Very, very neat cockpit there.
Should be done, I think.
So even though the bike looks a lot neater than I do, I've been painting the Land Rover, which you've already seen in another video. I get the pleasure of lifting the Mach 6. I've never actually sat on one of these new ones. I've never sat on one. Lift out the stand. Oh, it's so sick. It is really small and actually going to be so much fun. I keep talking about in all my videos how I want to get 360s better and down, and probably not my Ugg boots. I've got those on today. But I want to get 360s good on trail bikes and just all bikes because I think they look really cool. So this is going to be the bike for it. Right, I'm going to strap it up the bars now it's out the stand, get my brakes to my height, and we're going to be good to take this bad boy out for a little test run and show you guys what it's got. So high. Mine, I reckon I'm a mid-ranger on the height. Quite a good balance. I like to just see the tops of these to try and match them. There she is. Right, I'm going to kit it up for the next bit, and you'll see this insane bike. Tell you what, let's put it in front of the Fiat. 2 secs, let me move this crap. This is how the Mach 6 dream build looks. I think we can all agree. If I can sit on and get a thummy since we're kind of filming thummies. Oh no, we've already got a 6 thummy of this.
Maybe.
But this could easily be with YouTube arms.
YouTube arms.
YouTube arms. But I think we can all agree that looks insane. I love how the orange fork breaks it up. Yellow wheel decals. Well, next is there. Right, we're gonna get kitted up. Take this bad boy for a shred. Maybe put some flats on it at some point. Not sure about this video. The new Jibbing 3 bike. Yeah, we're gonna go out. We're gonna do some riding in the woods, and then we're gonna get an MTB hopper set up and do some like, what's the jib machine? Some cool jibby stuff. Look at that, water, instant bite. Ah, the jibs! It's the jibbiest bike already. So we're in the woods. This is the new jib machine. Wait, I'm gonna go a bit quieter because we do have a mic on now. We are in the woods. Can you see the sound working on the screen? Like on the screen, there'll be like a little line at the bottom going.
I can see it on here now.
Yeah. Well. So we're in the woods. This is the Mach 6. I'm very excited to ride, but I've got to give you guys a quick lowdown on it because I'm running a size medium. It is 158mm travel in the rear. I've got a 160/36 in the front. Honestly, actually, I'm excited to ride. And we've kind of stopped here because there's a stump. So I'm going to show you guys a quick jib on the stump and get started on this bike. Oh, I'll tell you what. Do you want to see it out the gate jib if you stay there? If I can do it. Brand new bike. Oh! We're going to show you that this bike isn't just for jibs. It's so hard on camera to show something steep, but that is very, very steep. I'm going to show you the Mach 6 slaying that. Oh, so steep. So good.
but the jib machine delivers. Right, hopefully I'm coming in the shot right about now to double these little rollers. That is so sick. I think the little wheels help me there for sure. Let's get a side on of the doubles for sure, and then even a manning shot. Here we go, sports fans, dropping in for a side pan of the Mach 6. Wow, I'm actually having too much fun on this straight. We're going to manny the straight and hopefully jump into the turn. See you in a sec. Mach 6 in. Okay. You can't tell me that doesn't look fun. Oh, I'm loving it. This is a little bit different to get used to, but so poppy for where we live in southern England. Right, next spot. Right, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to hit this sick bit of trail on a new steed. Right, stop. Now the jibby way. I mean, I took some sticks to the face I didn't see, but the line was cooler. Oh yeah.
You've seen some sick riding. We're going to bump jump this, land manny, off into the distance.
Okay, now we're going to watch me build this jump. Like I said, that's the ramp ready. We're going to do some jibs, so let's actually move it into the perfect spot and we'll be ready to go, maybe, and show you how sick the Mach 6 is at jibbing and things. Here we go, first jib up. We're going to go for a 180. Or not. Too slow and took a seat to the leg. We'll go again. First jib up, 180. Pretty much perfect jib machine for someone that's terrible at spins. Right, we need to commit to a 360. Oh, almost first go. It's the dreamiest bike ever. Right, let's get a 3. Need to go quicker. If I hadn't taken my foot off, it would have been perfect. Let's go again. 60, let's go. I mean, uphill landings, it kind of stops you, but what an absolute machine. Clipped in, I'm absolutely loving this bike already. Fortunately, we had to leave the last spot to unforeseen circumstances, but we're here. Next up is the extreme bin gap. Well, in America, trash can gap, but we call them bins here in England. See how it goes. Wow, smooth as butter. Oh, okay, we had ramps moving.
That was big.
But hopefully you can all agree, I'm so hyped for this. It's kind of all we got time for. Bike parks are still mostly shut. Bit of a nightmare, it's trying to rain. We've got a storm coming in here in the UK, cars everywhere. But this is my new dream build pivot, Mach 6, you know what I mean? And I'm stoked on it. So thanks so much to Pivot, all of our sponsors for building this up. Reynolds, Industry 9, Shimano, absolutely everyone. WTB, MRP, Fox, Renthal. So stoked. So thanks so much to everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, Bubbles TV filmed it, so go follow him.
As well for building.
Oh yeah, and Bedward, I already said thanks to Bedwards a few times, but yeah, Crank Brothers. I hope everyone enjoyed. The hopper is sketchy. But that's it for today. See you next time.